Have you been experiencing back pains, waist pain, or pains at the joint? Sometimes all over your body, you'll be feeling pains. You'll be taking drugs, you'll be going to hospital, you'll be taking drugs because of this, it will go and come back again. Do you have such experience? Or you know somebody who is suffering from this? I have a good news for you. Today, I'm going to give you a simple remedy that will eradicate all the pains in your body. Are you excited? Please give this video a thumb up. You are welcome to Wisdom Embraced YouTube channel, a distinguished channel dedicated to the use of spirituality and herbal remedy in solving human problems. If you are meeting up for the first time, you are welcomed. I welcome all the first members of this community. This is a community for distinguished people who aim at taking the bull by the horn to solve their problems. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple remedy you will use to heal every form of pain in your body. You have to watch this video till the end and listen to the instructions so that you will get it right and get good results. Make sure you don't skip any part of it and make sure you stay till the end. The items you need are 3 items. Number 1 is this herb called cedar acuta or stubborn weed. Some community call it broomweed. So I want you at the comment section, as you're looking at the weed, go to the comment section and tell me what you call it in your own place. When you get this cedar acuta, you uproot it. Don't cut it, uproot, because we need the root. Wood ash or powdered eggshell. You get wood ash or powdered eggshell. You get garlic. Now let's look at the procedure. First of all, you get this broomweed and then cut it in pieces. After cutting it, you go ahead and start washing. Wash it severally with salted water. This will enable you to remove all the dirt and germs in the leaves. Wash it very well. Remember, we cut from roots to the leaves. You cut the roots, the stem and leaves. You cut everything together. So after cutting it, you go ahead and wash. After washing, you put it in a pot. You put everything in a pot. Then you bring garlic. Don't peel the garlic. Wash it and smash it. Wash it and smash it. After smashing, you pour the garlic inside the pot and then get your wood ash. If you don't have wood ash and you have this powdered eggshell, you bring it. You bring the wood ash or powdered eggshell. You get 3 tablespoons of this and put inside the pot. When you finish, you put water, about 2 liters of water. It depends on the quantity you are cooking. You put water, just the water that would cover it on top, and place it on your cooker and start boiling. When it starts boiling, you check your time, count to 30 minutes. You bring it down and wait for 12 hours. Follow the instructions. After 12 hours, sieve everything out. Remove the chaff. And then if you have refrigerator, you get container. Pour the water, pour the medicine inside the container and store in your refrigerator. If you don't have refrigerator, after sieving it out, remove the chaff, pour it back inside the pot. That is where you keep it. Now, how do you take it? You take 1 glass cup morning and night. And before you take it, make sure it is warm. If you have stored it in the refrigerator, anytime you want to take it, bring out the quantity you take and warm it. If it is in the pot, warm it in the morning and take. Warm it in the evening and take. Don't take it cold. Then, when you have taken this thing for 5 days, discard whatever that is remaining. Discard it and do another one if the pain has not totally left your body. But I assure you, if it is not something that have lingered for years, within 5 days, you are okay. But if it's something that have lingered for years and be taking medicine, you may need to repeat it again. And after repeating it and you take it for 10 days, you'll be totally free. Then you continue using calcium supplement in your diet. And once in a while, you detoxify your system so that you'll be okay, so that you'll be healthy and strong.
Subscribe and share this video. Give your feedback at the comments section. See you in the next video.